video na rin. Hi!
Congrats!
Thank you so much po!
Sobrang grabe ang daming tao.
Salamat po! No naman! Thank you so much! Thank you! Nice to meet you ulit. Yeah. See you in future events.
Hi, bye!
Shout out sa mga viewers sa Travel Hero!
Ay, JM, grabe. Pinapanood lang namin sa video. Sa video. Lalo na si mga favorite ka ni mga
Mami Tessie.
Hello, Defenso! Congratulations! Thank you. Hero! Having the hero.
Hi, Heroes!
Thank you, Marvin.
Sa Globe Awards night.
Hi,
Nini, thank you so much for being the first 100 pa. Oh my God, sa YouTube talaga. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you naman.
Kiligin siya.
Ay, thank you. Thank you, Nick. I hope to see you soon.
Yan guys, so we are here sa Glass Garden dito sa Pasig. So I'm very excited kasi first time natin na-invite dito sa Club Creator Award. So first ever Club Creator Award. So I start vlogging siguro January or February of this year 2024. And naging Club Creator din tayo ng 2024. And now, noong July, nakasama tayo sa top 100 Club Creators. And nominate tayo ngayon sa Club Creators Award. So I'm excited na makita yung mga popular Club Creators natin dito.
This is the way we crack the party. This is the way we crack the party.
And John, and Justin, let's see.
And the Club Travel Innovator Award goes to Hazel King.
A few words from Hazel. Grabe kasi ko tayo na-expect. Alam mo ako naiiyak. Sobrang pantak lang guys. Chloe was the first brand who trusted me. Hindi ko tayo na-expect. Sobrang bigat. Ang weird ko, pero thank you so much. Congratulations! Wala pa akong followers nun guys. Parang 10K pa lang. So thank you so much. Congratulations to our travel innovator Hazel. Mag-shot ka dyan sa Tanqueray. Jazz Reyes. The Sensons. Ivan Tegusa. And our travel luminary award goes to
Our Travel Luminary Award goes to Jazz Reyes!
May speech talaga na pressure ako, but thank you so much naman. I want to thank each and everyone. Look, firstly, kasi I believe that look really democratized travel. Traveling, doing it yourself, di ba? Removing all of those expensive fees na nakita mo sa labas. And I think the Travel Luminary Award, I think it's all for us all, the creators here as well. Because kahit pa paano, di ba, we support each other's content. Whenever we see each other's content, we hit that like button, we save it, and we learn from each other. And last but not the least, syempre, to all of the followers, to my followers, to your followers rin. Kasi kung wala sila, di ba, all of those like, those shares, those saves, sila talaga ang bumubuo to who we are and what we do, and why we do what we do, to bring the world closer every reel, every photo at a time. Thank you. Para sa akin po.
Congratulations, Jax! Fun fact, pantalon ko po yung sinusuot niya. Kapatid ko po to. We're celebrating a content creator known for their travel-related content. She's gained popularity and received positive recognition for their travel ventures, stories, tips, photography, videos, or any other content related exploring destinations around the world. For our favorite female travel creator nominees, we have Ad Liwanag, Jen Balaga, Coles Pinala, Isha Ramirez, and our favorite female travel creator nominee or awardee is
Jen Baraka!
Ang dami pala na rin. First of all, we would like to thank Look for the recognition. Maraming salamat. And also, I would like to acknowledge the contributions as well of my fellow nominees. Alam ko, sa babae, hindi madali gumawa ng content, or regardless of the gender, actually, hindi talaga madali gumawa ng content. And also, thank you sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng mga followers ko. As what Jax mentioned earlier, sa lahat ng mga followers ni Dayadasin, maraming salamat. And also to my fiancé. I wouldn't be able to create good travel content kung hindi ko siya kasama. I wouldn't be able to provide good photos or videos kung hindi ko siya kasama sa parts. And for this just for me, kundi para to sa tatlong klase ng mga travelers. Number one, yung mga seasoned travelers na. Number two, yung nagsa-start pa lang sa journey nila. And number three, yung nangangarap pa lang na makapag-travel. Para sa inyo po ito, para sa ating lahat. Thank you so much, and let's continue to create adventures and share it to the world. Thank you!
Presented to a content creator who is celebrated for his travel-related content, gained popularity, and received positive recognitions for their travel adventures, stories, tips, photography, videos, or anything related to content and while enjoying their travels. For our favorite male travel creator nominees, we have Chuck and Joe, David Quezon, Jan Batisha, and Archie Larga.
And our favorite male travel creator is Archie Larga!
Oh my God! Thank you so much! Oh my God! Nanginginig ako, oh my God! But anyway, let me explain. Wow! First of all, I would like to thank the Philippines kasi, okay, konting background lang. Mga 30 minutes lang itong talk ko Sabi ko kasi yan. Then, when I started creating content back in 2016, nung nag-YouTube pa ako, talagang parang number one brand, wala akong etchos to Parang number one brand na gusto ko makatrabaho was Flow. Because yung travel content talaga, yun talaga yung ini-aim ko. But sadly, hindi siya nag-work. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo lahat, hindi man siya or hindi nyo man na-realize yung effort na nakuha niyo during that time. Pero dadating din yung panahon na ma-recognize din yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo. At pag-aalay yung stories, kung saan talaga kayo dapat makabilog na niche or platform. So, advice ko lang sa lahat, just keep on creating content, just keep on being inspired to create content. Huwag natin gawin lahat just for the money. Just enjoy what you're doing. And then darating yung time, wow, parang kung ano, and darating yung time that mabibigyan din kayo ng opportunity na mag-shine sa inyong mga platform and talents. So maraming salamat po sa mga viewers ko dito. Award na to. Ate, parang sa akin award din naman to. So maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo lahat sa Club Philippines. Thank you so much sa support ko. And to more Larga sa bayan! Thank you po!
Congratulations! Or he or her creativity and infectious good vibes translate to engaging content for Hop in generating reach and conversion pivotal for the brand's domestic and internal growth. This award comes with an incredible prize, a 4-day, 3-night stay at any Hop in Japan hotel. Casey, can you honors, please?
And the winner is Miss Lana Silarga. This is why she won, guys.
Let's have a photo at the center, please. Congratulations, Nana. Thank you so much, Miss Casey. What's your moment? Hop, hop, tumbling, tumbling. The senior brand associate, Juliana Valner, and the regional brand manager, we have Justin Fa. Our winners won't walk away with just a trophy. They'll be receiving an incredible package fit for the ultimate traveler. Each winner will take home a limited edition Dubai luggage from the Travel Club X World Traveler, a hydro flask, and a stylish Hello Lulu or Gregory bag everything you need for your next adventure. So, first up, we have our first batch of winners.
So you have first Charles Vidal. Of course, we have B3 sa HQ, Marcos Carita. We also have Gerald Beduya. Nekisha Ramirez.
Sabapuro all together for first batch of awards from Travel Club.
JM, grabe. Pinapanood lang namin sa
We'll have you go down, then we go down and wait over on the side as we award the second batch of awardees. We'll have a group photo after that. So again, they help.
The next one is Marvin Samaco. Congratulations.
Marvin!
We also have Ivan Liclan. We also have Rosie Domingo. And of course, the poor traveler, Yosh Bibing Carlos.
Thank you, Marvin.
Sa Globe Awards night.
Thank you.
Yes, let's give it up for the Twist payments and also be secure with your transaction. If you don't have the GCash Flip card yet, you better go to that booth and make sure you experience it. So, the winner for Trendsetter Award
Book Trendsetter Award goes to Archie Larga.
Congratulations, Archie Larga.
Ala, alam ng nanay ko magpapasya ako sa bayan. Ang dami ko. But anyway, ano mo pinapanalunan ko? Ay, Trendsetter Award! Oh, nabanggit kanina yung Vietnam. So, alam nyo, actually, let me explain. So, yung idea for that video, na ang inspiration ko talaga was si Miss Jen Barangan. Where is she? Jen, ma'am, si Jen, dahil sa'yo, kaya nagkaroon ako ng idea na pumunta ng Sapa. And yun, kung nagpaplano kayo na pumunta somewhere in Asia, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-Vietnam, magpunta kayo ng Hanoi, then mag-side trip kayo sa Sapa, like 2 nights. Sobrang ganda, tapos mag-apakit kayo ng Pansipan. Mom, she sobrang ganda. And sobrang mura lang. And alam niyo kung saan yung nag-book ang aking tour? Siyempre, sa Klook! Ayan, so maraming salamat po ulit. Thank you so much, Klook. And to more travel sa Vietnam. Salamat po!
Congratulations, Archie! In Hong Kong, as well as Picnic Hotel in
And the Club Top Hotel Creator Award goes to Ivan Guzman.
On natin si Ivan, Top Hotel.
Okay, this speech, maximum of how many minutes? So yun, first of all, this is my second nomination as content creator actually, na travel. At ito yung second award ko, yung una tech, pandemic, hindi ako tumanggap in person. At ngayon, ito yung first award ko. And actually, kung makikita niyo yung TikTok account, yung Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, puro hotels nga naman. Puro hotels nga naman. So yun, first of all, I would like to thank Miss Ian for approving my request. Miss Maki, Miss Yula, Miss Sharon. Wow, kabisa ni admin! So yun, maraming salamat sa Klook dahil tulad ng sinabi ko kay Miss Maki, minsan pagka naninit ko siya, noong estudyante pa lang ako, iniipon ko yung baon ko, and once a year lang ako nagka-travel. Then, flash forward. Nung February 2023, nagpunta ako ng Taiwan at nag-active ako ng mag-vlog sa YouTube. Then, a month after, nag-DM sa akin ang Maki Santos. Wow, too much information. Tapos, sinabi niya sa akin kung gusto ko daw mag-Klook affiliates. And then, tinanggap ko. Then, hindi ko alam na makakakuha ako ng mga sales, basta post lang ako ng post, ganyan. Tapos, tumaas. So, na-motivate lalo. And, syempre guys, alam niyo naman, lahat naman tayo nasa program na to. And ito, hindi lang naman to para meron tayong magamit sa pag-travel, kundi ano din siya, parang reward din natin siya sa sarili natin, di ba? So, ang ginagawa ko, yung nakukuha natin dito, yun yung ginagawa kong travel funds, at sabi ko kay Miss Maki, nung simula na naging Klook creator ako, nakaka-travel na ako sa 13 countries. 13 countries at 12 po doon, ginamit ko si Klook. Kasi dun sa isa wala si Klook. Kasi po ang aking trippings ko sa pagka-travel, ngayon, I'm leaning towards ang off-beaten path talaga. Sabi ko nga kay Miss Maki minsan, mas kabisado ko yung Klook application kumpara siya sa Klook application. Kasi sinasabi ko, bakit wala kayong Russia? Bakit wala kayong North Korea? Yung mga ganyang level. kasi talaga iniisa-isa ko kung ano yung mga pwede kong magawa sa Klook at yun, nagbunga yung ating Actually, hotel pa nga lang to, pero kinuwento ko buong talang-buhay ko sa dito. So yun, maraming salamat again. Tulad ko sa unang pagsasalita ko sa Klook, tinapos ko yung statement ko with this statement, all together, we will reach places we never knew would be possible with Klook.
Congratulations, Ivan, for Top Hotel Creator Award for International Travel Destination, namely Japan, Hong Kong, Korea. They are the top international destinations despite only joining midway through last year. This creator has exhibited remarkable and consistent growth, consistently securing a place among top 10 creators.
And the Club Top Outbound Creator Award goes to JM
Grazie.
I'm speechless. Yeah, so first of all, thank you so much kay God, no? Kasi siya kasama ko all throughout this journey. Thank you kay Klug, thank you kay Kian, kay Maki, and to all the creators dito sa Klug. Maraming salamat kasi pinagbubutihan ang paggawa ng contents. And ito award na to, bonus na lang to sa atin. Just being part of the creator community, malaking bagay na para sa ating lahat. So, ang masasabi ko lang tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng contents. And let's support each other. Thank you, Kuno!
Congratulations, JM, the top outbound creator of 2024 and travel content.
Our top domestic creator award goes to Chuck and Joe!
My God, totoo ba? Unexpected ko, di namin inaakala na we will be getting this award. Actually, first namin talagang goal nung nagsisimula kami mag-content for travel is to promote local tourism. So ayun, hindi namin alam na ito yung matukuha namin award for tonight. Thank you, Flo. Thank you so much and so much. Maraming pong salamat kasi isa po ang tulong sa nagbigay. Isa po ang tulong Isa po ang tulong sa mga nagbigay po sa amin ng opportunity to travel to different places. And kami po kasi, nag-start po kami sa Instagram noon. So puro lang kami static photo and naging daan po ang Instagram, ang clue para po maging mailabas po namin yung aming creativity sa videos. So maraming salamat po, Clue. To everybody, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Lalo niyo na po kung sino kayo. This award is also dedicated po sa lahat ng mga supporters namin actually. Kasi sila po yung nagmo-motivate sa amin. Every time po na may lumalapit po sa amin na Chuck and Joe, salamat po sa mga travel tips po nyo. Yun po yung nakakawala ng pagod namin. So, thank you so much, Flo. Thank you, Flo.
Safe.
So the Creator of the Year Bronze Award goes to Camille Piano.
For this award, alam mo, ang laki na ako. Pero I think most people don't know me because I'm just a small creator. Pero this award is also for those small creators like me.
Thank you. And now we're going to be moving on to silver.
Creator of the Year Silver Award goes to the Samsung.
Mahihayin ako.
Hello guys! So kami nakakilala sa many artists and voice ko. And thank you, Luke, for this award. Yan lang. And masasabi ko lang, si Luke, kagaya nung pinost ko sa isang post namin, talagang ito yung most rewarding time of our life. Nung naging Luke creator kami. Kasi we should have been to another place. So, long story yun. Pero, I think Luke saved us. Para dito talaga kami sa chapter na to. And, para to sa lahat ng mga creators, okay mo, wala ng pag-asa! Post lang po! So, thank you, Luke!
Walang titigil na rin.
Yes, that is. Yan pala ang prize din natin, kasali pala yan. Okay, it's hotel.
Alright, so the Creator of the Year Gold Award goes to Jax Rhea!
Oh my God, na-pressure ang lola nyo. I think, thank you so much. Number one, I think it's thank you to Proc talaga, like what I said kanina. I really believe that it's easier to travel because of Proc and the right of everybody is to travel. And you have to make it very budget friendly. And I believe Proc has one of the best platform out there. Secondly, syempre, this award, I think it's not just for me, it's for everyone here. Kasi alam ko, everyday tayo kumakayod, gumagawa ng content. But one thing that I always want to remind each and everyone is we create content because we want to create value for each and everyone that watches it. Alam ko, we want the commission, it's always there, di ba? That's why we create content. But always remember that we should not be blinded by the commissions that we earn. Always be truthful, always be authentic on how you create your content. We all started small. Imagine that I was never somebody who wanted or who believed that I can create content. I was a lowly corporate slave for the longest time. But once we create that valuable content and nare-realize din ng followers natin, and we create value and we bring value to them, slowly it will come. The money will come if you do what you love. And that's why we love to travel. Bonus na lang talaga yung mga commission that we earn. Kaya, wow! Kaya, let's keep creating content. Let's make the world a smaller place. And let's make sure that we democratize traveling because everybody in the world deserves to travel wisely. Diba? Yun lang. Thank you so much. Para sa atin po lahat. Thank you, Broken. Thank you.
Ayan guys, so we are done dito sa Klook Creators Award. So na-meet natin yung mga most popular Klook creators kagaya ni na JM Paquisio, Jax Reyes, Marvin Samaco, The Poor Travelers, The Sensons, si Ivan De Guzman, at marami pang iba. So yan muna guys, nandito na sundo natin si Kuya. Hi Kuya. Yeah, see you. Bye-bye.
All I can say is I look like new.